Hello everyone, I am Aditya Kumar. My roll number is 20BT10003. Today I'll be disassembling a DVD player for my third DIY assignment. So first let me show you that this DVD player is in a perfectly working condition. Let me plug it into power. So as you can see that the DVD is perfectly working. So now let's go with the disassembling part. So now let's move on with the disassembling part. Let's open all the screws. One last screw left. Let's open this. So we have opened it successfully. Now let's move on with the parts. So now speaking about the parts, this is a disc loader. This is a speaker. Wait a minute, it's a bit dirty. Let me clean it. So now you can see this is a speaker. This is the supply board for the DVD player. And this is the DVD ROM logic board. This is an amplifier board. And this is a small battery. This is the power switch. As you can see, it's a power switch. I mean to say power supply. At front we have a power switch, and this is an LCD screen and an IR sensor, a USB port, and some switches to control the DVD player. And here's some wires and a game socket, and that's it for the. So now let's reassemble it.
Invincible.
So now let's check whether the DVD is working properly or not. Let's plug it into power. Now let's switch it on. So as you guys can see, it is working perfectly fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching.